Apps for Seniors. A tutorial by Access Technologies. From reminders to visual aids, apps have come a long way in helping people learn and explore the internet. This video focuses on applications or programs that are found on your mobile devices. More tutorials can be found in the description of this video. First is Libby, the library app. Local libraries often use this reader app. Ask your librarian for the Libby code and rent any book anytime. Next is Voice Dream, a screen reading app. This is a text-to-speech app that allows you to read anything at a volume and a speed you can understand. Third is Jango Radio, the free music streaming app. This app has endless, adless music organized into a variety of stations. Next is BitWarden, the password manager. A password manager is an app that collects, protects, and automatically fills your passwords. This one's neat. Seeing AI, a talking camera for the blind. This is a speaking camera app that narrates vital information like product contents, facial descriptions, and currency amounts. This one is called Good RX or Good Prescription. This app finds discounts and coupons for both generic and name brand prescriptions. You can also try MediSafe, a medication management app. This app organizes your prescriptions, reminds you to refill, and tracks your medication measurements. Last for this video is Chess.com, a free chess application. This is a free chess app that pits you against opponents within your skill level. More questions? You can find links to these apps as well as more tutorials in the description of this video, or visit us at www.accesstechnologyinc.org.